He broke the world record.
သူကမ္ဘာ့စံချိန်ကိုချိုးဖျက်နိုင်ခဲ့တယ်
He broke the world record.
He broke the world record.
He came back from America.
သူအမေရိကကနေပြန်လာတာ
He came back from America.
He came back from America.
He came to see me.
သူငါ့ကိုလာတွေ့တယ်
He came to see me.
He came to see me.
They made me go there.
သူတို့ကငါ့ကိုအဲ့ဒီကိုသွားခိုင်းတယ်
They made me go there.
They made me go there.
He decided to go abroad.
နိုင်ငံခြားကိုသွားဖို့သူဆုံးဖြတ်လိုက်တယ်
He decided to go abroad.
He decided to go abroad.
Excuse me, who are you?
တစိမ့်လောက်မင်းကဘသူလဲ
Excuse me, who are you?
Excuse me, who are you?
That shop has many customers.
အဲ့ဒီဆိုင်မှာဖောက်တယ်တွေအများကြီးရှိတယ်
That shop has many customers.
That shop has many customers.
I will do it myself.
ငါကိုယ်တိုင်ပဲလှုပ်လိုက်မယ်
I will do it myself.
I will do it myself.
What are you interested in?
မင်းဘာကိုစိတ်ဝင်စားလဲ
What are you interested in?
What are you interested in?
She is about to leave.
သူမထွက်သွားတော့မယ်
She is about to leave.
She is about to leave.
I can understand him perfectly.
ကျွန်တော်သူ့ကိုအပြည့်အဝနားလည်နိုင်ပါတယ်
I can understand him perfectly.
I can understand him perfectly.
He plays golf on weekends.
စနေတနင်္ဂနွေနေ့တွေမှာသူကော့ဖ်ရိုက်တယ်
He plays golf on weekends.
He plays golf on weekends.
Did she come with him?
သူမကသူနဲ့အတူလာခဲ့တာလား
Did she come with him?
Did she come with him?
I nearly made a mistake.
ငါအမားလုံးမိတော့မလို့
I nearly made a mistake.
I nearly made a mistake.
The twins look exactly alike.
အမွာလေးတွေကတကယ်တူကြတယ်
The twins look exactly alike.
The twins look exactly alike.
I am counting on you.
ငါမင်းကိုအားကိုးတယ်
I am counting on you.
I am counting on you.
I know she is sleeping.
သူအိတ်နေတာငါသိတယ်
I know she is sleeping.
I know she is sleeping.
I had lost my pen.
ငါဘောပင်ပျောက်သွားတယ်
I had lost my pen.
I had lost my pen.
I told him to come.
သူလာဖို့ငါပြောခဲ့တယ်
I told him to come.
I told him to come.
What are your strong points?
မင်းရဲ့ခိုင်မာတဲ့အချက်တွေကဘာတွေလဲ
What are your strong points?
What are your strong points?
Keep this money for me.
ဒီငွေကိုငါအတွက်တိန်ထားပါ
Keep this money for me.
Keep this money for me.
I'm glad to see you.
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 The girl resembled her mother.
ကောင်မလေးကသူ့အမေနဲ့တူတယ်
The girl resembled her mother.
The girl resembled her mother.
Has the movie started yet?
ရုပ်ရှင်စနေပြီလား
Has the movie started yet?
Has the movie started yet?
How did you make it?
မင်းဘယ်လိုလုပ်ခဲ့တာလဲ
How did you make it?
How did you make it?
Can I borrow your umbrella?
နင့်ထီးကိုငားလို့ရမလား
Can I borrow your umbrella?
Can I borrow your umbrella?
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
မင်းပျော်ခဲ့ရလို့ငါဝမ်းသာတယ်
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
They have their own troubles.
သူတို့မှာဒုက္ခတွေရှိကြတယ်
They have their own troubles.
They have their own troubles.
The door is open now.
တကားဖွင့်နေပြီ
The door is open now.
The door is open now.
Don't ask me for money.
ပတ်စံမတောင်းနဲ့
Don't ask me for money.
Don't ask me for money.
It almost never rains here.
ဒီမှာမိုးမရွာတလောက်ပဲ
It almost never rains here.
It almost never rains here.